Hi, welcome to Ravago. Today I'm gonna show you the wiring diagram of 011X722 volts electric scooter wiring diagram. It's a powerful electric scooter with this controller inside. It is 722 volt controller, and you can see the voltage here. Voltage is 72 volt, low voltage is 60 volt, and the current is 45. And it is smart controller. It's like a two controller combined in one. You can see this line here. It's like two controller that has been combined in one. And the wiring diagram is pretty simple. Those two XT90 connector is for your battery connector, one for each connection, and those are your motor phase wire. Color are blue, yellow, and green. There are two, and there is now those little wire here that can be confusing. So let me see how can I make it easy for you to understand. So this is a communication wire. Color is like orange, green, and blue. It's like communication wire between the two controllers, and you can see the three wires are even connected to the throttle connector. This is the throttle connector, and then you have like one wire that goes from the throttle, and it connect to three connector right here, three female connector right here, and this is your power ignition key. When you turn on your electric scooter, it just connect the red and the orange wire, and it power on your electric scooter. And then you have this wire. Color is gray and black. It's your low speed connection. If this wire is connected, it allow your speed to a certain speed, so you can economize your battery power. On the scooter, it's a eco button. You have this one. Both wire are green. This is the dual drive, single drive, one motor or two motor. If this button is pressed, you run two motor at the same time. On this electric scooter, the button is dual drive. And you have this is a communication wire, and it's already connected. And this one color is white and black with two female connector. This is your brake. When you connect, when it push, it just stop automatically the motor. This is the power supply. Color is three female connector with red, black, and green. And this one is also a communication wire that is connected, communication between the two controller. And that's it. The wire for this 011X electric scooter is pretty simple. So if you want me to get it connected and make it run on scooter, let me know in the comment, then I will do the connection for you, show you how it works. Thank you for watching until now. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe, and see you at the next video. Thank you and stay blessed.